Hello again, welcome to another used car review, and today we're looking at this stunning looking Mercedes E63 AMG estate. V8 bi-turbo engine, finished in the creamy white with the satin black alloys. What a stunning looking car. It's also got the panoramic glass sunroof, black glass. It has got one small tiny little blemish there on the wheel arch. A couple of very minor marks on it, but other than that, very straight car. Nice low mileage, 40,000 miles. Only had the two owners. Impeccable service history. Mercedes and local garage. The car actually belongs to the garage proprietor, so he's maintained it to a very high standard using Mobil 1 oil. It's got the AMG mats, AMG badge seats, all nice and clean inside. Privacy glass obviously. Certainly looks the part. Let's just take a look. We've got seat adjustment on the front doors as well. Electric seat adjustment is there. Automatic lighting. Push button stop start. Listen to that. Nice deep throaty roar from the 5.5 litre V8. It's got the DAB radio, sat nav, reverse camera, which comes on when you select reverse. Obviously automatic transmission. Got the AMG button which gives you the full power mode, adjustable suspension, and then your driving mode select from this button here. Comes up on the display there. 40,000 miles. Paddles for changing gear up and down manually if you want. Cruise controls hiding behind there. Electric steering column control hiding there as well. Obviously your Bluetooth phones all from here. Vehicle menu from this side. Comes with two keys. The AMG badge key and the standard Merc key with it. Storage there with an iPod connector, and it looks like a USB socket down there, so you can connect your devices. Heated front seats, 3 level heated seats, CD player. Oh, somebody's left one in. So that's all working order. It's got the IWC clock. It's a nice feature, that nice bit of character there. Loads of room in the back. Vehicle menu for the main screens, all access from this button here as well. You've got your radio channels. From there, and you can just change channel. Just turning that knob there. So there you go. What a very nice example of this luxury estate with copious amounts of power on tap. Makes for a very enjoyable driving experience for the experienced driver. Somebody who's looking for something they can use for their family as well. So there you go. If you're interested, feel free to give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.